Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACSLH. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and today is 2024 11 of April. Alright, so thank you so much for coming in, and over here, let's see what do we have here. Okay, and let me check, let me see who's around here. Okay, so and hi Hubert, thank you so much for coming in, and hi Sabrina, yes, all right, thank you so much for coming in. We are now. Hi Dopra Utro Caro, nice to see you. I hope yesterday is a very fantastic one for you. Okay. Although I have no trading yesterday. And over here, all right, so we are coming in, and okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look. What do we have here? Right, let's have the MT4 first. Okay, all right, we have an MT4 here, and let me connect the rest. Okay, we have some over here to connect. I'm sorry guys, today running a bit late. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay. Right, okay. Over here. Okay, should be good now. All right. Okay, and yes, Hubert. Everything's running well. Okay, so just rest assured and concentrate on your live streaming. Okay, that's good. Hi Yue Ting, nice to see you. Where have you been for the past few days? Oh, I'm here. Just yesterday I'm not here. Alright, and Selamat Hari Raya. Am I right? Okay. So okay, yes, we are back here again, and right. So let's see, am I on the right screen now? Okay. Hi Manwai, nice to see you. Okay, thank you so much for coming in. Okay, so let's see. Well, let's take a look. How's everything here? Okay, let me check, making sure everything is correct. Okay, right. Okay. Hi Eileen, nice to see you. And can you see my screen? Do you want to see my screen, or do you want to see my chart only? Okay. Okay, over here, all right. Okay, so you can see the whole screen, huh? By looking at the whole screen, seems like it's not very clear on the chart, right? Maybe I just switch over to the chart, huh? Okay. Hi, Go Chin Heng, nice to see you, Mr. Go. Alright. Hey, 好久不见啊, Mr. Go. Mr. Go, you should be the Mr. Go I know, right? Okay. From Malaysia. Am I right? Okay, so Alright. Over here. Right, okay, so yes, but Merry Christmas will miss your handsome face. Really? Okay. Okay, let me do this. Okay, let me do this. Alright. 是的，老师。Okay, 你好 Mr. Go. Thank you for coming in. Okay, so and 现在我都在线上啊，我现在都在线上，所以有空都上线啊 ，OK， 好不好？ Okay. Over here, all right, let's see. At this point here, okay, let me do some switching. Okay, there's some switching over here. All right. Hey, hi, good morning, Tohit. Nice to see you. Right, and over at this point here, let me see. Okay, Sabrina, yep. Something wrong with the screen. It went off. Okay, let me check again. All right. Yep. And also, yeah, Mr. Go. Yes, Mr. Go. We have. Are you in our learning group? I hope you're in. I think you're in our learning group, right? Okay. Okay. Elena. Okay. Okay 吧，可以吧？ Okay. So let's see. All right. And let's take a look. Okay, let's come in. I'm sorry I'm late today. All right. So let me quickly go through what are we going to take a look. Okay, what we are going to have it here. I think yesterday, let's talk about the pound dollar first. Okay, first of all, yesterday we have a very fantastic, unexpected CPI, correct? Unexpected CPI data. Last 2 weeks we are talking about the dollar. We have a lot of news about all these, about dollar, FOMC, interest rate, everything. Like I say, things are like, will there be something unexpected to happen? So it can be something that happens over, and in the end, it may give some unexpected move. Right? I think yesterday is a good one. Okay, so let's take a look first. Okay, over at this point here. Okay, let's take a look. The day before, right? The day before, I think on the Monday. So we have some move over here. Then after that, it started to move up. Okay. Hi, Sudip. Okay, Sudip Vlogs. Okay, hang on for a little while. Okay, we'll go through one by one. Okay, we'll go through the pound dollar first, then we'll go into the gold. Alright, so over here, there's a move over here. Then this is on the, today is Thursday, huh? Okay, sorry. Okay, today is Thursday. So on the Tuesday, yeah, we have a move over here, and after that we set up the selling structure. We started to sell off. I guess pretty good. Okay, and well, myself, I also capture some profits here. Okay, and I think some of you also capture some profits over here for the pound dollar, like Manwai, Alan. Okay, I think that's good. Nice. All right, so where we actually started to do up some trading in a way. Okay, in a way, we are actually looking out for a move to create the space, the liquidity. Then after that, we will watch out for the reaction, correct? After the reaction has concluded with some selling structure, then we start to look out for the entry to sell off. Okay, so managed to capture this after not a long wait. Okay, not really a long wait, am I right? Okay, so quite okay. Things are still running pretty good. Okay, so over here, right over here, as we can see, after this move, which is yesterday, we went a little bit flat, correct? We went a little bit flat. So this flat is a bit, I think everybody is worried about the CPI, am I right? Okay, so after that, when the CPI comes in, it has a little move up here, taking out the highs, creating the highs of the day here. Then after that, we watch out for the structure. Well, I think it came very nice, but of course it's a very sudden move where I don't think we have a chance to capture any profits here, okay, from this CPI move. Okay, then after that, we can see there's some other continuity of selling. Okay, so yep, that's it for yesterday, the move, and until today, another flat move again from the Asia, correct? Okay, so I'm waiting. Yeah. Hi, Sudip Vlog. Can you just explain how to manage the 5 pip strategy on gold, because it's really hard to manage 5 pips on gold? So I believe you are the one that actually leave the message, correct? Okay, so I was telling you, okay, come in here and we will share it here with you. All right, so over here, okay, by looking into this pound dollar here, okay, today a bit flat. So what am I going to do is the same thing. All right, I'm going to look out for something, okay, which is there. Well, what is the structure? What is the situation now? Weeks ago, we were talking about this area, correct? Remember this area? So we are talking about this area of liquidity waiting to be taken. And yesterday, one CPI, it brings down the price to take out all the liquidity. So fantastic. All right, so this target has taken out. Now we are going to look out for something new. Okay, since this has taken out. So will there be a buy? Okay, will there be a buy? Probably there will be a buy by looking into this whole situation here. String down the H4. Once again, we are back. We are still in this range here. We are still been trading within this range and now it's trying to break below 125 to go into the bear to take down 123,760 and 122,736. Am I right? Okay, so yeah, and this is one area here that this is the key that I want to take note. Okay, yeah. So by answering your questions, Mr. Sudip, right? Sudip, managing a 5 pips. Okay, the basic concept over here, you have to look out. You have to look out for things. Managing a 5 pips. Are you there? Are you there, Sudip? Okay, if you're there, then we'll continue. All right. So over at this point here, this is all the pound dollar. I'm still looking out to waiting for it to break 125 to go further down to take 123. 766, 122, 122.2, 736. Okay, so still waiting. I'm still waiting for all this to happen. Okay, yep. All right, that's great. You are here. Okay, so in terms of the goal, okay, we have our Carlo from XNS, the founder of XNS. All right. Okay, do you mind to share your view? As at the same time, I'm sharing mine as well. Okay, so that Sudip will get Sudip vlogs will get some more. Okay, that's the purpose of our community. Am I right? Okay, so over here, when we are talking about the goal, all right, let's take a look at the goal. Well, okay, so the goal over here, right, looks like we also have plotted out some prices. 2, 3, 2, 6 is taken out, gone. Let's take away this, and 23, 36 taken out, also gone. Okay, so you see, you have to understand certain things like in terms of trading, no matter is forex trading, gold trading, all right, they have fundamentals, they have a characteristic. All right, so in terms of the goal, okay, if I'm going to grab a 5 pips, okay, 5 pips strategy, by asking this question, a lot of people out there will be talking about, should I use RSI, should I use EMA to gauge, okay, and how to use the EMA, how to gauge the RSI, how to do this and that to grab the 5 pips, okay, but they don't understand the fundamental. They are basically basing on the indicators. So there are a lot of things that you need to know, okay, to grab your 5 pips. 5 pips is you must know the purpose of 5 pips first. To trade on the 5 pips, why is this 5 pips strategy works is because these 5 pips, as we know, a little move of the goal, you easily can get your 5 pips, correct? Then why? Since I know, then why should I use the 5 pips? I don't know how big your account is. Let's base on the basic, a beginner, okay? An amateur, when they started to trade the gold, I believe you always start off with small account. So use a 5 pips to grab the profits, to increase your base account, okay? So that you can increase your lot size, so that using the same 5 pips, your pips value will be different. So when your lot size is different, your pips value is different, you will see your account is growing. So that is the main point. That will help a lot of amateur to grow your account, rather than to actually taking into consideration of, like, you know, I want to grab 100 pips, 200 pips, okay, in a small account. Then each time when it comes to 30 pips, 50 pips, it reverses back and take your SL. That doesn't serve the purpose of growing your account. Alright, so after growing your account, if you are going to train yourself like maybe Alan, okay, training himself 100 pips, then after that you can start training yourself on the 100 pips. But first of all, what comes down to the bottom of this earth is that making money, making profits. So you need to know why are you using the 5 pips. Is to grow your account, but not to make yourself rich. Getting yourself rich should be out of your mind first. But growing your account should be the priority in your trading. Okay. So now that is the basic concept. So now let's talk about the 5 pip strategy. It's not very difficult to manage the 5 pips. So always remember the concept. If you are selling, you have to sell from the resistance. If you are buying, you always buy from the support, which means to say key levels are very important. Okay, key levels are very important. So you always have to look out for key levels. So key levels, okay, are important because that will determine some move. So in forex trading, there are a few things that you have to bear in mind. First of all, when the price is reaching out to the key levels, are you at the key levels? Second, when the price reaches out to the key levels, what is the reaction? Breaking through or holding down? Okay. So third, is there selling opportunity or buying opportunity at the key levels? So if I at the resistance, look out for selling, wait for the structure. So when the structure comes in, you know the selling is coming in, then get your entry. Lastly, always gauge the space available. For example, you're going to enter here and you're going to sell down. If the space here to the next support from the selling, I'm talking about selling. If you're selling from the resistance to the support, which is only about maybe 5 pips, and you're trying to grab 20 pips, do you think it's easy? Because along the way, the area here, you only have 5 pips, and you're going to grab that 20 pips. Then it's not easy. Alright, so it's not easy. So if the space here is from the resistance to the support, you only have 5 pips. You make sure you grab below 5 pips, including of your spread. So then let's take a look. If this area here you have 20 pips, should you grab that 20 pips? I will grab 15 pips. I will grab 10 pips. Anything below, okay, anything within that space. So you should grab that. You get what I mean? Alright, Sudeep, do you get what I mean? Alright, so for example, for the gold wise, I'm basing support and resistance to tell you the very basic concept. Okay, I hope you get the concept. Alright, so for the gold trading, what is the characteristic of the gold trading? Gold trading involves a lot of factors, fundamentals, like economy is not doing well. Everybody will take it like a safe haven. Everybody gonna hide your money there like a money market, you know. And at the same time, if any world events like war happens, okay, and people are going to run away, you know, people are going to run away. So make sure you know, all right, make sure you know something like this, okay. So any world event is going to affect the prices, okay, it's going to affect the movement. So you have to more or less know what's the fundamental there, but don't confuse yourself with too much, okay. Especially the source of the news is also very important, okay. Always look out for the source that come from the financial country, okay, like maybe CNBC, BCC, okay, all these news I think is reliable. Okay, other than that, they are all street talk to me. Okay, so better to stay with the right one. Okay, so that's the fundamental. Technical side, we are looking at the very basic concept is where's the liquidity. Okay, where's the selling liquidity, where's the buying liquidity? Okay, look out for them. It's similar concept like where's the support, where's the resistance. So once it touches that, look out for the reaction, then next look out for the structure, then next look out for the entry, and finally take whatever the market show you and not determine by yourself. That's very important. Example like say maybe from today we are going to sell down to this price, okay, which have about, let's say we have about 100 pips, 90 pips, okay, for example, and I want to take 1,000 pips. Do you think it's possible? It's possible, but the probability is so much lower. You get what I mean now? Okay, yeah. So that is a difference. That's the difference, huh? Okay. So in terms of managing the 5 pips, okay, getting the strategy right is very easy by getting the concept right and getting your purpose in tune, in line with your trading. So it's very important. Okay, yeah. All right. So 5 pips for gold. Yeah. Potential target 2339. Oh shit, man. Okay, guys, hang on for a little while. Hang on. All right, give me a little while. All right, I'll be right back. Sorry, I will be right back. All right, guys, thank you so much. I'm back. Okay, yeah, key bell break. I forgot to go key bell. All right, so yep, and okay, so okay, and let's see if we are. Let's see. Okay. And let's see. Hi, Christopher. Nice to see you. Yep. Okay. So yep. And there's no bottom wick on the daily candle today. Okay. I guess likely, okay, we'll create some selling first. Am I right? Maybe. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. And yes. Buy support strong. Over here currently. Okay. Maybe there's some buying support. Yep. Tentatively, by looking into this, I would say, yeah, okay. So, but it's also from H1, okay, by looking at this move here, I still see there's a good chance to take down this price here, okay. And this price here, 23.35, okay, after it's settled down with yeah, okay. Hi Winnie, 你好. Right, yes, Sudi, my chats get deleted. Is it? Why? I don't see your chat at all. What did you say just now? Maybe you want to text again and try? Alright, I didn't see anything. Alright. Okay, but EU is going up, we're difficult to sell. Yeah, okay, so we can cross check with this. I guess the euro dollar also has needs some move to go up first. Okay, I haven't done up anything by looking at this. Alright, highly likely. Okay, it should be still on the upward move. Okay, yeah, right. So come back here. Okay, with the gold wise. Okay, I guess over at this point here. Alright, let me check. In terms of the gold wise, just now Caro was saying, what did Caro say? Let me check. Sorry. Okay, 23.36. If 23.36 able to hold, right, it can go up. It's not a selling day, alright. Okay, and now 23.39 to 23.43. 23.39. Okay, 23.39, 23.39, okay, to 23.43. Okay, so somewhere here. All right, yeah, 23.43. Okay, I guess should be somewhere here, huh? All right, yep. And over here, all right, over here, what? Yes, Bradley, your hotel room has a nice queue. Yeah. Okay. All right. So likely, okay. Well, let's take a look at this. Let me see. By looking to M5, I see. I think there's something for me to take a look. Probably this area here. Alright, this area here. Yeah. This area here. 23.34. 23.34. I see 23.34. Maybe this area has been recovered. Yeah. And okay. Okay, right, so then over at this point here is like, you know, this area, they have recovered this area, and looks like they should be coming down to take 23.34 again to test it out, this area. So to, let me see, M30, I think M30 is still 1. Yeah, okay, if this area able to hold it at 23.34, likely we will see something up there. Okay, yeah, and over at this point here should need a support. So the support may comes from the 23.34. Okay, may comes from the 23.34. So after that, we should be looking out into levels like 1, 2, 3. Let me see. Then let's see. Not here. Here. There. Here. Okay. I'm looking at 23, 27. Do you believe that? Okay, a bit aggressive. All right, a bit aggressive. I'm looking at 22, 27, 5. Okay, so if that's selling, I see 22, 23, 27, 5 should be coming down to take this if 23, 34 able to break. Okay, so I'm basing on this area here. Okay, I'm basing on the support that if this is going to break, okay, 23.34, then likely to see that this is going to break, and we are coming to take this area to set up the support, so that to test out the support over here, 23, 27. Okay, 23, 27, 5. So this area here. Okay, so then probably from this area here to gain the buyers from here, then we are coming to take 23.43. I see 23.43 is possible, but there may be even higher. Maybe even higher. Like say, okay, let's say over here. Right. That's on my chart, huh? Okay. Okay, we may have a little bit of differences here. Okay, so yeah. 23.52. Okay. 23.52. Right. So over at this point here, they are trying to break this 23.34. Okay, 2356 is the key. Actually, I also see, yeah, I think 2356 is also the key where over here. Okay, I am actually looking into this area also just now. Okay, okay, if I'm not wrong. Okay, looking to H1. Okay, so but this area here. We have one area. This is on my chart. On my chart is showing 23.52 is one point. Seems like it's not easy to break. What do you think? Correct. Okay, it seems like it's not easy to break. Yeah, yeah. So that is that 23.52. I'm also looking at 23.56, but I want to be a little bit conservative. Okay, so I place it at 23.52 because I see that this 23.52 a little bit tough to break. Yeah, so yeah, so that's for the goal wise. Okay, yeah, right. Then yes, Sudip, are you still there, Sudip? Did you manage to type in your questions? All right. So how about the pound dollar? Let's take a look at the pound dollar. Well, pound dollar is very, very straightforward, I would say. Okay, looking at M5 only. Okay, just look at M5 only. Well, distribution, accumulation, straightforward. Right, whole lot of imbalance, liquidity up there waiting for us. So it's buyer's day. สวัสดีครับดิวกินข้าวเดียวนะขอบคุณมากครับ Okay, so over here, then okay, so over here, yeah. And by the way, view, when is the Songkran? When is the Songkran? I've forgotten when's the Songkran. I think soon, right? Okay, over here, okay. 你好He's a Thai, so you must say สวัสดีครับ 13 to 15 Oh, next 2 day. Oh, I see. Oh, not in time 了 Not in time to buy air ticket 了Okay, anyway, now flying to Bangkok. Very fun, very far. Okay, far mắc Okay, so today, like looking at the pound dollar, I think straightforward. We are looking into this area. Okay, same thing. Straightforward over here. Supports comes in this area. Okay, then over here, right? We have cleared this, everything cleared. Okay, so quite obvious. 127.040. I've been looking for a few days. Finally, it reaches. Okay, all right. So over at this here, then okay, is over at this point here. This area has cleared also, and one of these have been taken. All right. So I will say that this should be still there. I should delete this. Okay, and over here, looking into this area. All right, and over at this point here. Okay, all right, this area here. Okay, yes, Wasim. Okay, hi Wasim, namaste. Okay, how do you pronounce this word? EID. Eid Mubarak to all my friends and family. Okay, nice. Thank you very much. Okay, so over here and over at this point here, we can see this drop. Here. Okay, this drop over here created a very big move and started to move down, touches one of the sub area. Correct. What is this area? The area that we talk about. We have came in here. And this area in H1, right? This area in H1, which was here, over here, it has completed, and now, okay, let's take a look over here in H1. All right, in H1. So this area here, one move down, and now we are setting up. Can you see a setting up of support over at this point here? All right, during the Asia market. So looks like they are pushing back to have some reclamation. So today looks like it's going to be a buying day. Well, they're bound to have some questions asking, hey, you know what? By looking into this chart here, what are the big selling and you're telling me to buy now? Are you crazy? It should be in the bear, am I right? Well, remember this selling off is because of the CPI, correct? It's because of CPI. Created a lot of liquidity up there, so sellers are there. So, but where's the buyer? Buyer setting up over here. So how can I say it's going to be a selling when it's getting so near to the selling? Correct? Okay, so at the moment, it may be in the bear, but bound to have some pullback. They're bound to have some pullback over here to gain or to erase the losses. Right, so it's very common. Okay, right, yeah. Hi Winnie. Okay, so I'm going to translate in Mandarin Okay, so over here， 昨天我们的这个棒美因为 CPI 的数据跌了一大波，对不对？跌了这一大波之后我们现在应该是看着是熊市，对吗？不过这个熊市也有回调的时候嘛。 所以要记得外汇啊，每一次呢在大跌的时候呢，狂跌的时候呢，会来到一个价位，它可能就会开始有一些回调。为什么有些回调呢？因为做空的流动量在上面嘛，需要做空的流动量才能继续做空，对不对？那这样的话呢，现在目前来到这里的时候，是不是好像比如说这些英国的央行啊这些啊，他们要支撑着它的货币，所以可能现在是在做的就是把这些亏损啊给补掉，所以现在呢的举动呢就是在往上升，尽量能补多少就补多少，好不好 ？OK， 首先呢，第一呢，我一看的话 ，OK， 现在我所以涨到多少啊？我先看啊，你是不是进了一张？你有没有进单子做多 ？Alright， so now let's look out for some potential prices that the pound is going to get. I will be looking into, first of all, 125.94 125.94 OK， 目前我这样看的话呢，现在这一看的话，有这个一个主要的一个价位啊， 1.25940 1.25940， 所以目前还有将近27到28个点啊，所以 1.25940OK， 不过在 1.25940 的過程啊 OK， along the way before it reaches 125.94 we have another resistance here OK， so it's at 125.74 so it may start to have some reaction to retrace downwards OK， so have to look out for these prices as well, and by looking into this area here OK 120 yep okay so yep let me see okay 125.533 okay 125.533 okay once it touches 125.743 they may have some pullback down alright to 125.533 then after that it will, if this is going to hold, then it should continue to try to break 125.743 to go for 125.94 okay so I'm going to do some translation here 所以现在磅美啊是往上涨的，不过不可能一直在涨嘛，对不对？现在呢有一个价位啊 1.25940 是一个目标价位，现在目前看得到的目标价位啊，也就是做空的流动量的所在地。那么呢，不过中途啊会有一个价位 1.25743， 也就是差不多要到了啊 1.25743 碰到的时候呢，它在这个价位的范围会有些回调，而这个回调呢会到达 1.25533， 如果 1.25533 可以持着做多的单子形成支撑的话呢，这一段啊有很大的机会要回调突破 1.25743， 最后来到目标价位 1.25940 OK alright okay yeah so yes okay yeah you completely understand what I'm saying that's fantastic 你好okay interesting very good okay well done yeah alright so over here we can expect some turbulence okay so it may pull back a little bit then go for another round of buying alright OK， 所以这个 Winnie 要注意一下啊 ，Winnie 要注意一下，刚才我们讲的这一段啊，收到哈 ，OK， 好的，要不然的话，今天应该还在走涨 1.25940， 应该还算是一个蛮好的价位哈。不过也要记得，今天晚上有美国的 PPI 啊 ，OK， 今晚美国的 PPI 失业率，好不好？那这些都是要关注的一些点啊 Okay. Yep. All right. So that should be the one. Okay. Okay. Yes. 收到啊。丙去零。我非常擅长普通话，而且我真的很喜欢这个优美而富有什么什么绿的语言。OK， 哇，fantastic 啊！哇 ，man，now your Mandarin is better than mine. Okay, so if I'm going to take a scalping, so for pound dollar, I'll be waiting for 125.743 to sell. Okay, to 125.533, which we stands about 19 pips, 20 pips. Okay, yeah. All right. So over at this point here, and we also see that we also can see that there may be a good chance that I'm going to sell off from 125.94. 125.94 selling off, I will be looking out for some pullback down back to this area here. Okay, so there may be a chance to set up the support back again, which is about 60 pips. Okay, so we have PPI that can maybe we will get to see something there, huh? All right. Okay, so over here, all right. Okay, then we'll see. Okay, so over here, we'll see over here if we are going to take this and maybe set up the support to boom even higher. But I will say from now, okay, looking into H4, the planning, I will say more or less I will be waiting more onto the buy side. Right, more onto the buy side as of now. Okay, as of now. So now it's still looking good. Okay, so let's see if this is going to push even higher, break it, you know. 你的华语真好。Jason, hi Jason, 你好你好。Okay. Jason was saying that your Mandarin is so good. Okay. So yep, and yes, over at this point here, and let's take a look at the goal. Right. So the goal, wow, we are breaking through 23.34. The goal, we are breaking through 23.34. Just now we are saying that they are trying to break this and we are trying to get 23.27.5. 23.27.5 over here. Yes. Yes, Sabrina. As for the goal, I guess should have some retesting, then it's good to go for selling if the sell permits. I would say yes. Okay, I would say yes over at this point here. Right. Okay. But we still, generally, of course, we are in the bull. Am I right? We're in the bull. But tentatively, selling is still quite possible. All right, selling is still quite possible. I'm still waiting to see 23.27 to be taken. Okay. Today, as for the goal, myself, I'm looking into this selling, but remember all these are temporary selling only. Like Caro was saying that it should be on the buy day, it's not a selling day, right? So all these are looking out for support. They are looking out for support to actually to go on to take some liquidity. Okay, then over here, okay, over here, then we will start to see over at this point to gain some buying volume to go further up. Okay, but of course we are still in the range. Okay, we are still in the range of the buying side, so remember any selling, it will still be a pullback. Okay, yeah, okay, so over at this point here, okay, over here we are still looking into buy. Okay, all right, so over at this point here, just take a look. Okay, yes, And Sabrina, yeah. Okay, yeah. Putting in a buy, of course you have to take a look if there is any points, any key levels for you to take in the buys as well. Okay, yeah. All right. Yes. Okay, look out for the key levels here. Okay, look out for the key levels. Key levels are very important. Yeah. And yes, oh my god, I see a lot of Chinese word. 我知道，我正在学习，我们正在这个美丽的交易频道上与 Eric 交易。Jason， 我也很喜欢艾瑞克老师Jason， 我真的 he put my name into a Chinese style of writing Okay, the last five characters. Okay. 您的交易方式非常好。You are saying that your trading style is very good. Hi, emotional. Nice to see you here. How's your pound dollar? The other day, I think you enter a selling on the pound dollar. Am I right? Okay. Did you realize your profit after the CPI yesterday? Okay. So if I didn't remember wrongly, okay. Yeah, Winnie. 磅美已经要达到 1.25743 哦 OK 这个时候不用担心啊这个时候就先看它先达到这个价位之后的反应是怎么样哈 OK Yeah, so we are now for the pound dollar, we are approaching from 125.343 all the way up, now approaching 125.743. Okay, so let's see if there is a pullback here. Okay, ultimately there's still some move and we have some imbalances here and there are some liquidity down there. Okay, so probably there may be something good. Okay, yeah. So at this point here, okay, so by looking into this area here, we are looks like this hour they are still approaching. Shuffle the bull, shuffle the bull, not the sheep. Shuffle the bull. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. Anyway, right. So at this point here, by looking into this area, looks like there are some reaction coming very near from 125.743. Remember, always remember that these are always a range, it's not a specific point. Okay. 当我在说这个价位的时候呢 1.5743 的话呢它呢都是一个范围哦要记得哦因为在交易市场里面没有一个确定的一个点位的好不好 OK 所以要注意都是上一点下一点都是一个范围好不好这样的话就会比较准确一些啊 OK 所以在这里这样看的话呢我们这一段里面我们再看似乎有一些反应对不对 Right, M30 has opened. Let's take a look. M30, how it closed. Right, so the closing over here seems like we have reached a point where this is the top point here, the peak here of this M30, and now it started to pull back. Right, it started to pull back. So right here, will it actually pull back down to 125.533? Okay, 125.533 is a possible price for the pullback. Okay, so we have about the pullback will have about 9 pips. Okay, alright, 现在是有一点回调啊，这个回调的话有差不多9个点的空间哦，之后看它能不能 hold 得住啊，如果 hold 得住的话呢，它还有机会再继续往上升的。OK 啊。So if this area able to hold as a support, then we will be able to see a higher low. So when the higher low created to go for a higher high, we can see the trending is coming, correct? the trending is coming. So trending is coming is good for the buyers. Okay, when the trending formed, is good for the buyers. Alright. 所以这个现在呢，它正在回调嘛。如果回调的话 ，hold 得住在 1.25533 为一个新的更高的支撑的话，我们现在是不是可以看到一个 higher low， 对不对？啊，那么更高的低点哦，那更高低点的话呢，再创更高的高点的话，它就进入了一个上涨的趋势。那上涨的趋势的话，那也就是做多的交易员呢，这个是个好消息啊，对于做多的交易员 ，OK， 好不好？好，那就看一下它是不是能在这个范围里面形成另外一个更高的支撑了哈 ，OK。Right, so as for the gold wise, let's take a look. Are we selling off? No, not yet. Okay, so we are still struggling here. Let's say if this is going to test into 23.34, right? Then there will be a good chance for selling off. There will be a good chance that we are actually selling off to take 23, 27. Okay, so that may be. Okay, that may be a good chance there. Alright. Okay, yes, Carol. 在美好的交易日，与 Eric 和社区同行，分享智慧，分享欢乐，涌动的市场如歌，心中充满希望和喜悦，风景独特，情意深重。Oh man. Oh, that's so touching, man. I need tissue paper. Do you have any tissue paper for me? Alright. Okay. Yeah, and yes, Sabrina, yeah. Yes, I'm still waiting for the opportunity for the gold to sell off. I'm wondering, will there be any cowboy style appearing for this entry of the gold? Cowboy, where are you, cowboy? Will you be entering? Yeah. Right. Alright, let's see if the cowboy is actually appearing here. Okay. Yes. Yep. Okay. Well, yes, Christopher. Like what Sabrina was saying that over here we are, I think we should be looking into selling, but like what Carol was saying that is now looking for buying. So I think there's a conflict of interest here. There's a conflict of interest here. Yeah, I think that there's a conflict of interest. But like I say, okay, the selling off can be only a temporary selling. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Sabrina. Oops, I put in the buy now. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Yes, Bradley, I'm waiting to buy like Caro. Okay. Yeah. Sabrina 在打扰我的是淘气的女孩。Okay. Caro was saying, Sabrina, you're disturbing his poems time. You little naughty girl. Or tricky girl. Okay, so yeah, alright, so let's see. Okay, the goal, I see if this goal is going to sell off, it should be some pullback. 如果黄金现在在做空的话，这个 Sabrina 正在做空哈。我的目标价位是2327，好不好？2327.5。那么呢，这个价位这些往下跌，只不过暂时的下滑，为一个牛市里的回调。如果你看一下，整个还是一个牛市嘛，所以现在目前还是有下跌的现象，好不好？还是有下跌的现象。OK， 那不过这个下跌的现象呢，只不过是一个回调。OK。如果你懂得交易这种回调单子的话呢 ，OK 是可以的，好不好 ？OK， yeah. So if you are good at pullback, of course, for the goal wise, you can go for some pullback. Alright, you can go for some pullback, but like I say, okay, pullback can be can be a bit risky, okay, especially on the gold side. So just take note, okay, be very tactful with that, okay. Yeah, pound dollar, yes. Pound dollar, we are, seems like we are also having a little bit of pullback here, but like we expected to see 125.533. Okay, so okay, can. As for pound dollar, I will be looking at this area here. Okay, 125. Will the PPI today going to push further down once again to take this from PPI to take this 125? What do you think? I see that that maybe, alright, that maybe. Okay, yeah, right. What is that? Sabrina. Oh, you have a Chinese name for Sabrina now. 调皮淘气的女孩在我们社区备受宠爱，调皮捣蛋却让人心生爱意，笑容灿烂，活泼可爱，她是我们心中的小公主。Oh my god! Goodness, Sabrina. So Carol was saying that you are our little cheeky naughty girl, alright, but you actually have a very should I say smiley, you're smiley, you are cute, yeah. Okay, end of the day, yeah, you are our little princess. Okay, yeah, everybody dotes on you, huh? Within our community. Yeah, okay. Yeah, alright. Wow. Okay. Lovely Carol, I've fallen for you. Okay. Yeah. Alright. That's nice. Interesting. Very cute. Okay. You see, guys, we are not spouting nonsense because we are waiting for, I think we are waiting for the goal, okay, to form up a buy. So while waiting, we are creating some fun here, okay. Alright, so for pound dollar side, okay, seems like the goal over here, alright, it went down for about 20 pips down, okay, yes. Alright, and Sabrina, have you realized your profits, or you are still waiting for 23.27? Okay. Yeah, I'm waiting for 23.28. 23.28. Okay. Alright, some more here. Okay. Yeah. Alright, 23.28. Okay, 23.28. Alright. Yeah, and 23.28, slightly above. Okay, maybe. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so over at this point here, we are now, yes, okay. Right. Hi JJ, nice to see you. Well, thank you so much for coming in. Now we have both JJ, okay. Wow, you got a nice trade here. Alright. Okay, over here, still looking at the goal, waiting to reach out for 23.27. Okay, but over at this point here, let's see. It seems like it seems like we are coming to this point here. Okay, seems like we are coming to this point here, waiting to get this. Right. Yeah, M30 filled. M30 is filled. H1 is filled. Okay, so please be careful. Alright. For Sabrina, the goal. Okay. As for the goal wise. Okay. Let's see if they are still going to take more down here into 23.27. Okay. Now Sabrina is trading on the pullback for the gold. We are looking for the buy up to 23.43, okay, or 23.46. No, 56, correct, up there. Now we are now taking the trade of the pullback down to 23.27. Okay, I would say that actually there's quite a good chance there. Okay, because they need support. They need support. They need buying. They need buyers in order to get there. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we are coming in again. Alright. Yeah, pound dollar. How about pound dollar? So Winnie 有一张棒美，对不对 ？OK， 现在棒美在回调中啊，所以这样的话，现在呢，淡定一些。我们先看一看这个1.25533能不能在这个1.25533的范围形成另外一个支撑。如果可以的话，那还 OK， 好不好 ？OK。Hi JJ, nice to see you. Now we have both JJ here. Or just be in the background. Okay. Was Caro hitting on Sabrina with his goal? Right. I would say 23.18 is interesting. Okay. Yeah. 是的哈 Winnie. Okay. 可以啊。好的。Right. Let's take a look at the goal. Alright. So the goal 23.18. Okay. Let's take a look. 23.18. Wow, 23.18. Okay. Oh, I see. 23.18. Okay. Yeah, 23.18. Okay. Looks like it's quite possible also, huh? Looking at the wicks. Okay. Yeah. Okay. But let's see if this is able to clear. 23.27.5. Sabrina was saying, so should I adjust my TP? Goodness, man. Alright. Okay, follow your plan. Come on, follow your plan. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Yes, and okay, so let's see. Okay. Okay, so over here. Yes, Christopher. Yeah, 23.18. Why the 23? Why 23.18 is another targeted price for that? Okay. Well, 23.18. I think we are looking out at the wicks here. Okay, so there are some liquidity there. So I guess this area here, it can be possible. It can be possible. However, we have to take a look whether if this is going to be if this is going to be something like over at this point to break off. Okay, break out of this, then we will have a good chance down here to take this area. Okay. Yep. All right. Okay, what would you like to see first before you go for a long? Okay, first of all, for the pound dollar, we can see that this area of support here, right? So this will be the key levels. So within this support area here, we can see there are some areas, okay, that the buying liquidity is there. So I want to see the buying liquidity, okay, to be achieved. Then next to see, will there be a chance to form up the buying structure? Then I will go for the buy. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that will be good to see. Yes, 23.18 to 2306. Whoa, that is very, very big. Okay, yeah, 2306. I think 2306. I wouldn't dare to see that far. Let's be can I be a bit conservative? Can we look at 2309? Okay, I mean I'm a bit conservative here, huh? Okay, all right, yeah, okay, okay. So yeah, JJ, okay, yeah. So I want to see some support comes in at the key levels to see liquidity. Yeah, like Caro was saying. Then after that, form up the buying. Okay, yeah, all right. And then over at this point here, yes, Sabrina. Oh, it's coming near to my TP. Should I shift? Oops. Okay, congratulations. Okay, Sabrina. Yeah, Sabrina taken a profit. Okay, congratulations. Okay, nice. Okay, congratulations, Sabrina. Okay, but yeah, over here, yes. Okay, so currently gold, sorry, I missed out. Currently in gold entered 23.33, first TP 23.18. Okay, so 23.33, wow, fantastic. Okay, that's very nice. The retested, oh, so you enter similar to Sabrina. Okay, yeah. Alright, so emotional enter at 23.30. Okay, I enter late. Okay, but okay, that's good. Okay, so we are now, take note, we have hit 23.27. Alright, okay, I close all my entries. Okay, fantastic, congratulations, well done. Okay, profits there. Okay, this community has been grand. Thank you, JJ. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Alright, and JJ from Ireland, right? Okay, let me refresh my memory. Make sure I remember the correct person. Correct place, correct person. Yeah. Okay. So yep. Okay. Congratulations, guys. Make 300. Okay. Drinks on you tonight. All right. Yep. Okay. So. Yeah, okay, so congratulations, guys. Okay, let's take a look at the pound dollars. Okay, for yes, correct, JJ. All right, yes, thank you so much. Okay, Winnie. All right, so Winnie placed a buying trade on the pound dollar. Now it retraces back to take 125.533. Okay, 125.533. Okay, and right. Yep, and over here 125.533. So what's next? Let's wait for the reaction, okay, to see if there's any support coming in to push higher. Then you can continue to hold the trade. Okay, right, 维尼啊，这个棒美啊，现在回调到我们的1.25533了。所以现在呢，就是在看的就是我们的这个棒美呢。它呢是否呢可不可以 OK 它是不是可以在这里呢能制造出另外一个支撑位置啊？那么这个支撑位置呢能不能呢形成一个做多的形态？那如果行的话呢 OK right there， 然后呢还可以继续在这个持着这张单子啊。但是如果突破以下的话再形成另外一个压力的话呢，我们就得要止损了 ，OK， 好吧 ？OK， alright， so yeah， right， okay， so over here， okay， over here， so take note if there's a chance to if there's a selling breaking out of this one, breaking below 125.533. Okay, then if there's another retesting to form a resistance down again, we should be down there to take about 18 pips, 18. Okay, 18 pips. All right. So if you're holding this as a buying, then you have to close the trade. It's reversing now to test to take the support. Okay, to take the support. Yep. Correct, that's right. Okay, Sabrina. Yes, okay, yep. What is that now? Come back here. Okay, what? Dumping or call? Alright, so GU preparing itself. Wow, okay, so guys, I'm trading with my funded account 100k, first time in my life. I took a buy at GU at 125.33, and now I close and make 3k today and yesterday. Wow, 125.33. 125.33. Okay, so it's around here. Okay, so okay, I guess well, fantastic. Okay, that's good. And funded 100k and I took a buy at 125.33. Okay, and now I closed. It made 3k today and yesterday. Okay, 3k. Oh, what is your lot size, man? 125.33 to take this. Okay, 30 pips. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I don't know what is the lot size emotional, but let me share something with you. I study a little bit on the FTMO or funded account with 100k. Let's say 100k seems like a lot. Am I right? Okay, so you can go for a very big lot size, but bear in mind of the daily drawdown, correct? So actually, if you are working on the 100k to determine your lot size, okay, I would say it's not accurate. I would say it's very risky. Okay, okay, put it in any way, but I don't mean the funded. Okay, the prop firm are doing that, huh? Okay, it's like enticing you to go for bigger lot size. Okay, I will say that don't enter such a big lot size. Okay, 10 lots. Okay, Carol was saying, okay, 10 lots, which is very risky. I done lots of scalping to get 3k, so it's a lot of trades. Yeah. Hi, who rich? Yeah. No, you're not late. You missed. That's all. Okay, Winnie， 现在你看棒美啊，棒美现在是不是要开始要有支撑了？那暂时还可以持着啊，还可以持着。Okay, right. So people are buying on the pound dollar. Okay. So right now, okay, you have some supports here. Seems like they're closing as a support, so you can still hold on to it. Okay, all right. So now let's come back to the emotional for the prop firm. Okay, so if 100k is like, you know, the prop firm give you 100k and you enticing you to trade a bigger lot size. So in fact, it's like a trap. You get what I mean? So you shouldn't work on the 100k. Right, you should work on the daily drawdown. I would recommend to work on the daily drawdown, okay, to determine a lot size. Okay, so let's say for 100k, if daily drawdown is how much? 5k, right? If I didn't remember wrongly. Okay, so if it's 5k, you should use 5k to determine your lot size. Alright, you should use 5k to determine your lot size. I think that should be something like that. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, so yeah, alright. Yeah. Alright, you're most welcome, emotional. Okay, so we are all in the community. Well, we just share whatever we know. You can take reference from there. Okay, right? Yeah. So try not to trade such a big lot size. It seems good and easy, right? When the trend is in your favor. But remember that when the lot size is big, there may be some trap there, emotional trap, anything, right? Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Okay, so Carol also providing a very good advice over here. Yeah, see, you were saying that 3 lots, I think is also very good. Okay, yeah, he's actually working on things like that. Okay, yeah. Yes, okay, so for pound dollar right now, okay, pound dollar right now over here, okay, so seems like, okay, they are building up the support, but be careful, it's not the end of the story yet. It may be a head and shoulder, okay, it may be a head and shoulder to push lower, okay, alright, okay, so Winnie, 你也要注意一下哈，这个棒美。虽然它形成支撑可以持着单子，但是我们还是得要很小心，很小心的在哪一个部分，好不好？很小心的在哪个部分，就是在这个部分它可能是一个做空的形态啊，你知道头肩形态吗？头肩形态，好不好？这个头肩形态，所以可能会有一个头肩形态，再继续往下推空啊。OK， 所以呢这一段里面我们就要注意了啊。OK， 就要注意了。Okay, yeah, you sound so calm and convincing. Alright. Okay, but I'm not against any prop firm. I'm not against any prop firm. Just maybe I should say 2 cents count. Okay, from to manage the risk. Okay, just a 2 cents count on the managing the risk. Okay, who reached? Are we buying? As for pound dollar, no buying yet because there may be a probability of selling off to take the support of 125.343. Okay, all right. Then over here, yep, and yep. And I would say, how should I say? You know what? A lot of hesitation here. There's a lot of hesitation here. Okay, so I will still prefer to wait for a while. Don't buy first. Okay, the head and shoulder may be coming in a very small time frame. Okay, all right, yeah. So over at this point here, they may be pushing down to take the support. After that, they go for the buy. Okay, yeah, yeah. So over at this point here, all right. Okay. 好怕哈 ，OK， 放心，如果它真的形成一个压力再往下的话呢，如果你有什么如果你有什么怎么说呢？如果有什么盈利，OK， 那么才来把它手动平仓，OK， 好不好 ？OK， 把它手动平仓 ，OK， 好不好 ？OK，yeah，help。Let me know if there is. Okay, sure. Thank you so much. Share your ideas and just share your opinions. Okay, we are very happy to see all this. Okay, yeah, go TP 10 pips. Wow, congratulations. H4 closing for pullback. Okay, let's take a look. Yep. Whoa, it hits 23, 27, 5. Okay, congratulations. Well done. Well done. Okay, nice. All right. Okay, so beautiful. Okay, looks like the pullback, All right. So over here, nice. Okay, beautiful. You put in your buy, am I right? For Caro. Okay, good. I think you see, we took a trade. And did you realize Caro took a trade at the key levels? We don't take a trade in any levels. We take a trade in the key levels. Okay, on the key levels. So that's very important. Okay, just like Sabrina. Okay, you can trade because it hits on the key levels, forming up the resistance, selling off like JJ. Okay, so nice. Okay, so we can yeah, it's good. JJ was taking 23.18, right? You are looking for 23.18. Am I right? I can't remember. 23 something, right? I can let me check. let me check. Alright. Oh, thank you, emotional. Eric, you are a legend. Okay, 23.18. Okay, so but alright, over here, I'm more of a position trader. Rubbish at scalping. Okay. All right, so I think okay, can be done, can be done. I mean, if you're a position trader, okay, of course, a position trader, you know where to go. Am I right? Okay, it's also good. Yeah, buying right 陈什么陈什么，这个是要还是报？陈文报哈，陈文耀，你来自哪里啊？你好。OK， 你在讲的是黄金吗？这个黄金 ，OK， 黄金现在不做多，是因为现在是在等待，等待它的那个等待，它现在在关键位啊，是做多的一个关键位支撑嘛啊，所以可能现在目前有突破支撑的可能性啊，因为这一根蜡烛啊，之前的这根蜡烛的。啊，所以现在有制作空的可能性，所以有一些的在这里有犹豫啊，所以有一点犹豫不决，所以暂时不做多。OK， 陈文豹吧，应该是 OK，Yeah， 啊，现在暂时是不要有举动先啊 ，OK。Yeah, I will wait for 50 minutes. Okay, H4 need week to determine where it will go. Alright, okay. Yes. Okay, just hang on first. Okay, just hang on first. Okay, this is the time to wait. Okay, this is the time to wait. Camille, hi. Where are you from? Nice to see you here. This is a sell for the gold. At the moment, I will wait for a little while. Okay, I'll wait for a little while. Okay, hang on first. Alright, they are going to create something over here. Not sure. I'm not sure yet because we are on the support now. No selling. But should we be going for the buying? But the closing here seems like we are testing out. No, we are testing out. Okay, we are testing out. Let me see. Let me take a look. Okay, H4 opening, there goes again. What's wrong? I changed my server already. Something went wrong, huh? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so over here, I think wait for a while. I think it's good to wait for a while first. For the gold wise, let me check. Let me check on the other side. Okay. As for Winnie 棒美的话，现在还在挣扎着哈，它的那个支撑，所以稍等一下哈。OK， 还可以持着一下哈。Okay, so for the gold wise, yeah. Okay, I think the gold wise. Okay. The gold wise should be testing into 2330 over here. Okay. 2330 OK 2330那个黄金啊现在正在尝试现在是有一点小回调啊，但不是一个做空的一个好现象啊，也不是做多的，因为这个2330呢，2330有一点的那个压力啊，在这里还会有继续往下跌的现象啊。OK， Yes, can you please ask Winnie if she's single? I don't know Mandarin. Okay, okay. No, she's not. I'm very sure she's not. Okay. Okay, Winnie， 这里 JJ 哦，他就问了，你还单身吗？那我就回复他，我很确定你不是。Okay, yeah. All right. Okay. So, yep. 好的，好的 ，OK， yes， alright， can, no problem, and let's see. Okay, and guys, give me a little while. I'm going to fetch a cup of dating agency here. Yeah. Okay, give me a little while. I'll be right back. Hello guys, I'm back. Right, thank you so much for your patience. So sorry. Yeah. Okay, so yep, take a look now. Alright. The goal is testing into 2330 over here. Alright. So take a look over at this point here. Seems like okay. So yes. 陈文报啊，这个月亏$600了。搞这个黄金啊，OK， 是搞这个黄金这个黄金嘛，没关系反正亏的就已经是亏的，我们就往前看吧 ，OK， 往前看 ，OK， alright， 那我们只要注意的东西就是什么等一下，我先问一下陈文豹，你是哪里？你是哪里人啊？你好，我们交个朋友OK， 因为不然我一直在说英文的话，我不知道你听得懂吗 ？OK， 在这里我先自我介绍，我来自新加坡 ，OK， 那在这里一段OK， we have one viewers here, yeah, with a Chinese name here, was saying that he make a loss of $600 USD in the gold. Alright. Okay, so let's take a look over here. 黄金方面OK， 黄金方面的话呢，有一些怎么说呢？就有一些点位我们要找出关键位，来做交易，好吧？找出关键位来做交易，比如说。要做空的话，我们要找一些压力位， 才从里面做空，然后利用支撑。如果你是做空的话，哈，好吧，如果你是在做空的话，利用压力位置呢来做空 ，OK。那么呢，利用在同一个交易里面利用支撑啊，来作为一个参考，它的空间有多少，然后呢，就从这个空间的，在这个空间里啊，拿你的盈利。有的时候是很大，有的时候是很小，所以按照市场来告诉我们，我们才来做决定，好不好 ？OK。Yeah, okay. So, yep, Sabrina. Sabrina is on the other channel, another platform. Okay. And, yep, Euro dollars again sell. Yep, and looks like the pound dollar. Let's take a look. Okay, pound dollar is still looking for support. Okay, seems like it's actually still breaking through. Right. Yeah. Yeah. And Barclays girl. Okay, yeah, you are not allowed to look or even weak. Weak. Okay. Dollar is strong. Yeah, this channel is so good, and people are missing out. Oh, really? Thank you so much, emotional. Okay. Yeah, and so do remember to smash the like button for me. Okay, so yep, over here, Winnie, okay, Winnie, 现在就看啊 ，OK， 我先用英文啊，我先用英文。Okay, so now pound dollar is breaking through this area of, I think, this area may be the area of forming up the higher lows, but it's breaking through. So let's see if the prices here is going to retest to form another resistance down again, then it will really come down to take 125.34.3. Okay, yeah. So over here we have to pay attention to that. Alright, Winnie 在这里啊，现在目前就已经突破我们的 1.25533 嘛。那如果它再回踩不能突破以上1.25533的话呢，你要有心理准备哦，它可能就会有往下跌了。那这个时候你看现在形成绿红红收的话，是绿红红的话呢，你就要注意了，那很大的可能性就得要止损了哈 ，OK， 好不好？不过现在目前这一看的话，它的这个范围呢 ，OK。这个范围也就不过那几个点，11个点哦，这个范围呢，它现在是来尝试要走出这个范围所以目前的话，它就走进了这个盘整的范围里面 ，OK， 所以要小心一些这个小心一些啊。如果收为一个绿红红压力的话呢，我就建议说不要再等了，有什么盈利就先收起来吧。OK， 先落袋为安啊。等一下才找机会，看有没有做多的机会，或者它突破了以后是做空的。OK， 好 ，Yeah， Thank you for the like 。OK。Emotional need some tissue as becoming emotional. Okay. Oh, yeah. The goal. Oh, it shoot up now from this area. Oh my god. Okay, I was thinking that it may still hold as 23.30. Okay, so now. Okay, 让我先用英文解释一下啊，那么我才比较容易翻过来中文啊，因为大家要知道我中文很烂，对不对？Okay, so I use the English first. By looking at this move right over here for the goal wise, okay, if you are talking about structure, it seems like we are going to form inverse head and shoulder. Don't sell. We are going to form inverse head and shoulder to push for a buy. Now, I would say now if this is going to set up a support here above 23.30, 58, 23.30, it will be good to see a buy. That should be a buy. Okay. 23, 39, 23, 35, and yeah, okay. So we'll be looking into some buying from this area 23.30 to 23.35. Okay, about 50 pips, right? Yeah, about 50 pips. Okay, so they may be setting up the inverse head and shoulder and then setting up the support to go for the buy. It may even go up to 23.39. Right? Okay. Let's see how it will go. Yeah. It took M30 selling liquidity over at this point here. Yeah. This area, right? Okay, so let's see first. This is only plan A. The plan A here. Right. Okay. As there's no wicks, yeah, they may be coming back down here to take this area. Okay, so this is the area that we may be looking out for. Correct? 23.28. 23.28. So around this area here. Okay. Yeah, so hang on first. I mean, if there's a buy, let's wait for the inverse head and shoulder to form up here. Then may have a good chance for the buying. Alright. 23.36 is the top H1 selling liquidity. Okay. So along the way to take this selling liquidity, there may be some good chance to grab some profits along the way. Okay. Yes. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to turn on. Okay. Yeah, but I think we will have to come down for a week. Okay, yeah. Over at this point here, I think there's a good chance also. Okay, there may be a good chance also because by coming back here, not just to take out, I think taking a week, then to just now I see something here in M. Where did it go? Oh, M30. Yeah. Okay, so 23.26 may be the price. Okay, so there may be a good chance there. Okay, I'm waiting for the news. Camille, hi Camille. Okay, so let's see. Today, the news. Later on in the New York session, yeah. Okay, so sorry, I forgot about the Mandarin. Okay, so over here, OK， 刚才我们在黄金这部分我们说到这个有一个反头肩这可能会形成一个反头肩，所以现在这个上来那么这一波上来呢，我不建议做多，不过它突破2330嘛，那如果它现在再回调的话，形成支撑你就会看到整个形态是一个反头肩的形态。反头肩的形态呢，就会制造之后呢，会制造一个支撑位置以后然后呢就会有一个做多的现象。那我的目标是在2335 2335左右 OK。OK， so 在这里可能会有一个做多，所以现在等着是它能不能形成一个支撑，然后做多。OK， very cool man。OK， then 那么在这一段里面如果它做多的话，就会形成一个反头肩的一个形态，而这反头肩形态会制造一波往上升，然后呢会也往上走那我的目标价位是在 2335.62， 大概这里就是这里的这个范围 OK， 因为你的图跟我的图可能不一样所以就是在那个范围OK。 那也有一个可能性，就是它会有往下跌如果它不形成支撑的话呢， 这个往下跌的话，它会到232.28的范围啊，因为这里有做多的这个流动量，好不好？所以它可能要下来取走做多流动量以后，才能往上升 ，OK， 好不好？陈文豹对吗？陈文豹 ，OK， 陈文豹还有 Winnie，OK。All right, so yeah, Camille, yeah, I agree you in Euro. Oh, thank you very much. I'm from Singapore. Thank you so much. Okay, so hope you like this channel. Hope you like our community. Okay, yep. And we have a Discord channel. Okay, the link is right below the description box. Okay, so you can click to join in this Discord channel for me to update you guys when am I going away without the live streaming, so that you know. Okay, I'm going away for seminars or something like this. Okay, so I won't be having. I'll keep you updated in the Discord channel. All right. Okay, so let's take a look over here. The gold seems like the gold is going to form up have some reaction at on this 2330. Okay, right. So if this actually form up, then maybe a chance that we will see some buying. Maybe. Okay. Yeah, I think there's no reason to change the trend unless we reach 2318 to 2306, right? Okay. Yeah. Any news can reach liquidity and shoot up after. Likely. Okay. Yes, likely. Right. OK， 所以现在我们现在在等多2分钟啊，看它怎么停啊，看它怎么收，好不好 ？OK， 看着它怎么收啊。好的 ，Yep。Yes, so over here we can hang on first, right? Okay, and let's see. Yes, Sabrina. Yep. This goal is very interesting. I learned a lot of things here. Alright, that's good. That's good. And the pound dollar, let's take a look for Winnie. Okay, Winnie, 这个似乎已经开始磅美已经开始往下滑了，你已经落袋为安了没有？有没有收了你的盈利啊 ？OK， 他现在要找的是这里的支撑啊。OK，Yeah。Okay, are you from Poland? Yes, good. My girlfriend is Polish. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Then over here, toss on ruble. 没有啊，亏的啊，现在是亏的啊。OK， 那。这个范围啊，现在不需要太担心，因为它在下来之前，它还是要有一些回调，好不好？下来之前还是要有一些回调。OK， 只要能在你的这个如果没有在亏损的情况下呢，还 OK 哈，那么可以把它给砍掉哈。OK， 不过你要有心理准备哦，它现在的可能性是这个样子啊。第一呢。它会下来找 1.25343 这个支撑位，这个是一个支撑的关键位啊。然后呢，它还是会往上升，它还是有往上升的 ，OK， 好不好？那么如果它突破这一个点，形成一个压力，像这样的情况啊，那就真的没办法了，它就真的是要真的往下继续再跌。OK， 所以你要注意看它。OK，Yep， Yes， Carol， how many girlfriends do you have？ Okay， Yeah， Sabrina is Barclays girl as you say 。OK， 所以现在 Winnie 啊 ，OK 这一段的话，它还会有回升一些啊，因为它需要多一个压力，它才能继续再往下跌啊，所以这些可能性你都要记得啊。OK， Right, so just now I was telling Winnie, okay, for the pound dollar, seems like they are actually on the selling now. Okay, so just now when it breaks through this, if this is going to retest as a resistance downwards again, you have to cut the trade. Okay, so right now, okay, there may be a possibility that may be touching on to 125.343 to set up the support to go further up again. All right, then probably okay, we are now looking into some support, okay, to get the to get the support, then it will be able to boom further up to meet up the targets up there. If this is going to break the support to form another resistance downwards, then it will be another round of selling, so it's not good to hold on for the buying trades anymore. Okay, yeah, all right, so at the moment I won't be trading for the pound dollar because after the big drop, usually accumulation will comes in. Okay, so accumulation will comes in, then we will you know, there's a lot of up and downs, you know, there's a lot of sideways that can happen within a small range. Okay, yeah, yes. Yeah, you're the gold digger. I invite you to Poland, we have beautiful girls. Okay, all right, you should invite all of us. Okay, yeah, okay, so over here, right, okay, pound dollar, I'll be waiting to sell maybe somewhere here, but looking at the area here, I'm waiting for a move. Okay, all right, yeah, Winnie 你知道这个范围啊，每一次都是这个每一次一波大跌以后啊，它都会有一个盘整的现象出现，所以一般你在亚洲市场看到盘整的现象出现呢，尽量不要做单子，先不要做啊，让它走出那个范围啊，以后啊，我们才来决定啊，一般最好是这样。Okay, I'm talking about the range. Okay, so let's say we are talking about the Asia range. Okay, so we can look at this area. Okay, this area here. Okay, so 你看啊，这里一开始的时候呢，它就开始在亚洲市场盘整嘛，所以每一次它回踩这个范围的时候啊，行的你可以做多，但是你要注意看这个范围啊，到另外一个压力位置的时候呢，因为你是做多嘛，所以你要找压力位置。OK 啊，那么呢，这个压力位置啊是一个范围，已经差不多来到这个位置了，所以当它在这一段里面的时候，我们从这一段做的话，就大概就是形成压力的时候，我们就大概就是要差不多要出场了。OK。At the moment, I would suggest a buy for the scalping because they are still looking for the support down here. So if you want to go for a buy, I will advise myself. I will go for 125.343. I'll wait for the price to test into 125.343 and wait for a buying structure to come in with the support. Then I will pump in for the buy. Alright, if not, I will not. But for such a situation, okay, when you see the Asia range here, I will not put in any trade. For example, for this area here, it pushes out of the range, retest the range. Yes, I will pump in for a buy and look out for the resistance up here. The resistance came in near over here, then I will, if this is reversing down back here to form selling structure, I will get out of the trade. Similarly, if I'm going to sell off this, alright, what I'm going to do is that I'll wait for the price, alright, to get out of this range. When you see Asia range is going to be the whole day thing. I'm going to wait for it to get out of this range, retest as a resistance below the range, then I will go for the selling. So retest, to go for the buying, which is 20 pips here successfully, and now waiting for the selling to break down, retest to form resistance to sell for another round to reach the next support level. Okay, so that is the whole thing, the whole idea here. So at least you know, okay, when you see this, what we're going to do, stay away first until it break out either way. Okay, emotional. All right, so this is the whole idea here. Usually after a big move, CPI, non-farm payroll, FOMC, whatever, it will start to accumulate. Then after that, start the accumulation. I will wait. When the accumulation comes in the Asian market, I will wait for the breakout, then to test, to scout for the profit along the way, to look for resistance, and wait for it to break into it and break down to form a resistance, to scout for profit until it reaches the support. Okay, yeah, so this is the basic concept. Okay, you get it? All right, so can be quite okay. All right, so yeah, somewhere 125,343, this area here. Okay, yeah, right. 那 Winnie 你要注意看到 Winnie， 如果它能再一次回调突破，回踩这个支撑，好不好？那上涨的机会就有机会了。If you are buying, either you wait for the support here, or it will be best for, I mean, for me, usually what I do is that I will do this by waiting for this to break above, retest as a support above the range. When the buying structure comes in, yes, then I will go for the buy. Okay, yes, for the gold wise, let's take a look. Oh, the gold, we have inverse head and shoulder now. Okay, we have inverse head and shoulder now. Okay, and over here, all right, over here, we are heading north now. Okay, well, gold, I'm on sell on 2332. 2332. Sell. I was waiting to see the inverse head and shoulder to form up, and then, you know, be waiting for the buy. Okay. Yeah, so okay, yeah, we have talked about this just now. Gold is taking H1 selling liquidity at 2336 around this area here in H1, as you can see. All right, over here. Okay, so 2336, this area here. My chart may be a bit different from Caro's chart, right? Okay, maybe a little bit different. Yeah. Okay, so let's plot it again. 2336 here. Okay. Yep. Yep. Okay. Okay, 2336, huh? Okay, so yep, over here, right? 陈文豹对吗？陈文豹，陈文豹有在吗 ？Alright, are you trading gold on the funded 100k? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so over here. Right now, I will say that maybe over here, it looks like they tested onto the 2330 and it's not breaking below, so there's no selling opportunity. Then after that, it started to form up the support. You can see the reaction here. It got rejected. Then set up the support. I will be looking much more on the buying side. Okay, so much more on the buying side. Okay, so let's see if this is going to take down this area here, 2336. Okay, 2336. Yeah. Okay. 23, 36. Okay, so for the gold wise, okay, let's see for the pound, pound dollar still there. Okay, no action. If you are selling, we are so near to the support, which I don't support the idea. We are about 6 pips away. Okay, yeah, right. 卡洛尔 XNS 的创始人，黄金捞手，特别的存在。在交易社区里与 Eric 为友，智慧交流，同行为伴，为金融世界添光彩。Oh yeah, man, Carlo, you are right. Wow, that's nice, yeah. Contributing into this. Okay, can buy now. 陈文报对吗 ？OK， 如果要买的话，刚才这里啊，我说这里回调到2330支撑在这一段里面的时候呢，就在这一段里面啊，这个范围的话，就进场就比较好。OK， 现在要买的话呢，要做多的话，可能会有一些的小回调，不过目标在2336啊，目标还在2336，还是有机会，不过要快的哈 ，OK， 要够准确哈 ，OK， 这个啊，大概还有按照我的图表来看说，还有20个点啊 ，OK， 呜呼。Yeah, OK, OK, 还有20个点啊。好的 ，Well, for the goal wise, no, OK. Well, over here, yes, and over at this point here, let's see, OK. Congrats, cowboy. Oh, go TP. I see. Okay, I didn't see. I missed that. Okay, so yep. Okay, so let's see. 2332 hit my SL. Okay, right. Well, just now we are talking about this area, so no worries. Okay, at least you set a SL. Okay, so never mind. We'll try the next round. Okay. If you are trading gold, please minimize the gold. Please minimize the lot size as compared to the lot size that you are trading in the forex. Okay. All right. So yeah. Okay. So just the lot size have to be different, huh? Okay. You cannot place 10 lots into gold. Right. Okay. So for the gold wise, okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we do not know your background, so yeah, so we're just asking. So to better understand and give a better, correct advice. Am I right? Okay. So just now we are talking about the gold. It swing off where Sabrina and JJ entered a trade, getting their profits here. Okay. So after that, it hits our targets here, 23, 27. Now we are reversing back to form up another round, okay, to look at this area here, 2330, to be, if this is going to break below, there will be a good chance to sell off again. There will be a good chance to sell off again. However, it stopped here to form a support. As you can see, the whole structure, it became a inverse head and shoulder. So we are looking into 2035 to 2036 area here. All right, 2035 to 2036 area here. All right, so this area, okay, we are getting very close to take the liquidity. Then after that, we will see how it reacts again, and what does it form again. Then we will sell off. Okay, let's say let's see if there's a chance there. Okay, so right now it's not really, okay, not really there yet. Okay, so if you missed out the buying here, all right, if you missed out the buying here, this is a good buy here. Okay, we have about 35 pips. All right, so over at this point here, if you are going to enter another trade because of the breakout of the resistance here, then you have to be fast and sharp. Okay, you have to be fast and sharp. Okay, all right. Yep. Okay, so let's see. This is going to form. Let's see if the price is. Don't sell now. Don't sell the gold now. Okay. Don't sell the gold now because we are still testing into 2330 again. Okay, I will prefer to sell below 2330. Okay, if not, then this may still support back to form to test back 2336 again. Okay, I'm not ready to sell the gold now. I will more in terms of now, I will be looking more on the buying side, still on the buying side. Okay. 黄金我看的话，现在它还是在回调，只是在尝试突破2330啊。如果这2330.5没突破的话，它还是有机会会往上继续升哦。OK， yeah, it should go below 2328. Yeah, I think it should, but I think they need some selling liquidity or resistance there to sell off. So this may be only on the way some pullback or something like that, you know. At this moment, okay, by looking into this, the way they move, all right, and okay, so it looks like this is a pullback over here. Actually, by looking at H4, now, the way it moves, I see that, you know, it can be more on the selling side, you know. It can be more on the selling side, yeah. It can still be more on the selling side. Correct? Okay. Yeah. Yep, and yes, can you please explain a bit how you see liquidity? Okay, liquidity. Okay, first of all, get the liquidity concept right. Okay, it also means, like the other day, actually, we were talking about this. Okay, look out for where are the sellers are, where are the buyers are. Okay, you want to buy something, you should be looking at, example, you want to buy a computer, you cannot be going to the marketplace, correct? You have to go to a mall where it's specializing in IT. You get what I mean? Okay. Yeah, so you have to look out for where are the moves where the selling, you know, is a very good one. Okay. Read above M15 and M30 H1 to grab. Okay, yep. So if you are taking into a bigger time frame, of course, M5 is talking about current situation. Okay, if you look at the bigger one, example, okay, example like here. Let's talk about this. Okay, is it one move up? All right, and the selling off, right? The selling off. So is this where the starting point of the selling? Right. So over at this point here, you can see this area here. When it set up when it actually moves in here, this area here, okay, this one, okay, we'll be looking at this is the area, alright, where the selling is coming in. So I'll be looking into this area if I want to sell. Okay, so similarly, invert it back for the buying. You get what I mean? Okay. So this is one, okay, that I'm looking at. All right. Okay, so for now, example, right? Just now we are talking about this is going to set up the inverse head and shoulder to take this area, right? So this area now, okay. So over here, it set up this area, and now it went up, touches this area. Now it got rejected. So this area is where we came in from, okay, from this area here, where you can see it's a resistance here, this area here. Okay, so this area here. Okay, so you can see from M30, M15. Okay, so this is the area. Yeah, then again is that, all right. Okay, I'm still rolling in gold as use high time frame. I'm a slow gold digger. I'm slower than you. I go for super long term. Okay, yeah. I think you guys know, right? Okay. So right now, where the price, can you see this actually swing off to form a left shoulder, inverted, inverse. Okay. So inverse left shoulder, it swing off again. Now it looks like it touches this to swing back again. But can you see the candle actually closes here? This candle closes here, correct? So it's around this left shoulder area. So in terms of structure, let's talk about structure. So there may be a chance that it will set up the support again to swing back. It may have, okay, unless this is going to close right below 2030 out of this area, out of this range, okay, out of this left shoulder area, which means there may be a break of structure. Then I will turn buying into selling. Okay, you get what I mean? Alright. I mean, that is my point of view. Okay, over here, in my own opinion. So 在这里啊，我们在这黄金看来说的东西啊，这边啊，是不是一个反头肩看来说嘛？反头肩这里呢，在反头肩的范围形成支撑，它往上升到我们的目标价位2335到2336的范围嘛。那现在开始碰到了回调下来嘛？回调下来以后呢，它还是这一根蜡烛，还之前的5分钟蜡烛还是收在这个反头肩的范围。那如果这个呢回调收在上面的话，它还有继续往上升的机会啊。按照结构来说，如果现在这一根蜡烛收在底下的话呢，它收在底下的话，那本来看涨的，现在要转换思维，因为它有机会做空了，好不好？因为底下的流动量还存在嘛，好不好？底下的流动量还存在，这里还有这里。OK， 这一个范围它的流动量还在，所以还有机会还会继续再往下跌，所以要看现在就是要等待看它的这个情况是收在哪里。OK， 好，这个是很重要啊。Okay, so come back in English. Alright, so at the moment, right now, let's take a look at pound dollar. Yeah, pound dollar, we are coming to take the support. So be patient and wait to see what's going on. Not now yet. Okay. So for the gold wise, let's wait to see if this is going to, where is this going to close? Alright, if this is going to close above 23.30, then let's wait again. Then we shall wait again. Okay, there's plenty of waiting, yes, but to make sure we grab the profit. Okay, so make sure we wait. Alright. Okay, so this is one point here. Okay, then we should be taking a look, because if you are going to rush in, and in fact, I would say this area should more or less be like a support because of the structure. Alright, for now it closed below. Correct, it's closed below. What do you think? Well, will selling be coming in? Okay, so selling may be coming in. Alright, yeah. But the thing is that H1 is going to close again. We have about 10 minutes to go. Alright, so the selling may be coming in to take this area to set up support again. So from here, 24 pips. But then again is that, alright, will it actually beat lower and go lower to 23.18? Okay, so right now the probability of selling seems like it's getting better. Alright, so will this actually pull back into an area like say, okay, this is the area where all these resistance are, all right, or will they actually be looking into this area 2332, right, test back this area, then to swing down again. Okay, so there are two possibilities, right? So now the selling, the probability is higher now. If you are selling, look out for this area. Okay, look out for this area. All right. Okay. 与 Eric 在交易频道交易黄金，与牛仔 ACS 和 XNS 风格庆祝成功，智慧交流，财富涌现，在金融舞台上创造传奇，伙伴相伴，共创辉煌。哇哦 ，amazing， amazing. Thank you, Carlo. Yeah, we will create. Yeah, we will create something good here. All right, for every trader who join in here. Yeah, all right, very good. Yeah, thank you so much. So XNS Carlo, yeah, he's a very good gold trader. Yeah, so far, you know what? I get in touch with a lot of gold traders. Okay, in Asia, right? But most of them, I will say trading in a different way. All right, trading in a very different way, where they see this strategy can work for everything. So they use it for gold, use it for forex trading, use it for indices, use it for oil, and even use it for share. But they didn't get the characteristics right. Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah, so now the gold opened below 2330, so obvious. I think we are trying to grab something down here. Okay, all right. Okay, so over here, yeah, you are good. Okay, so now we have breakout of the inverse head and shoulder. Correct? We have breakout of the inverse head and shoulder. So it's looking more to the selling side. 21 pips TP. Congratulations. Well done. Good catch. Okay, very good. All right. Yeah. Well done, man. Okay, let's take a look. What are you sharing in the Discord? Hi, 小贵888. 小贵888. Okay, yes. Alright. Oh man, what a beautiful one. 1,449. Is it 449 or 499? 449, huh? Okay, congratulations. Well done. Okay, beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. And that is 7 lots. Wow, you increase your lot size. I realize. I realize you already started to increase your lot size. Okay. And let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay. Well, okay. Yep. All right. So now the goal seems like it rejected up again. Now it rejected back to 2330 again. Can you see this price? 2330. They are hovering around this area here. So let's see if this is going to set up. I think they are not breaking the structure yet. They are still forming. Okay, this area here. Okay, but hang on first. Okay, I think there's something fishy here. All right. There's something fishy here. Ah, okay. Looks like we are going to pump up now. Looks like we are going to pump up to 23, 35, 36. Looks like we are going to pump up now, huh? Okay. Are we? This area here. Okay. This area here. Yeah. Yeah, yes, because I already made profits in the morning. Ah, I see. Okay, so let's take a look at this 2330. 2335 here is very important. Okay, let's see what's the reaction here. Okay, status. Hi, status hub. Where are you from? What will be impact today after 6 p.m. news? What will be the impact? Big move. I don't know. Okay, we don't predict. Okay, we don't predict the news, but we stayed away from the news. All right. Okay, try to stay away from the news. Okay, so that after that, then we will see how it goes. All right. Okay, so for now, okay, I buy my TP 2334. 2334. Oh, okay. So you're putting in a buy. You're putting in a buy. Okay, so putting in a buy, okay. Right now we have about 3 minutes to go. Putting in a buy, 3 minutes to go. If these 3 minutes, in these 3 minutes, it should be still on the pushing side. Let me see. Okay, I guess we are still quite healthy to reach 23, 35, 36. Yeah, 23, 35 to 36. Yep. Like upward, yeah, downward. No, I cannot tell you whether it's upward or downward. Yeah, because that's not normally we don't do that. Okay. For Camille, okay, Camille, if you are buying, then you have to take note of 2332 first. 2332. Here. Okay, 2332.6. The buying may push to 2332.6. If this is not breaking through, this is the area where they will continue the selling down. Okay, so please be careful. Alright, if this is going to close above, then that's fine. They will have a good chance to push up to 2335. Okay, 2335. But like we have discussed just now earlier on, 2330 over here is going to be quite an important point for all this move right now. Okay, yeah, so likely if this is still continue to close below, selling is coming. Okay, selling may be still coming. Okay, please be careful, hang on first anyway. It's a beautiful top wick on the H4. Okay, your H4, my H4 don't have. It's talking about H1, right? My H1. Okay, so by looking at this, we can still see there are still some selling here. All right, so yeah, have to see if this is going to set up the support to take this out, to take this area out. Yes, when the price is stuck around here, 2330. Yeah, seems like this area has not break. No, they have not break out the structure. They have not broke the structure. They have not break the structure yet. So still possible to buy. Okay, still possible to buy. Then again, I am just waiting to see if this is going to close below 2330. Selling may still continue. Okay, there may be still a chance for some selling because 23.32 there's a resistance here. Okay, unless this is going to break above, then we'll have a good chance to go further up. Okay, we still have a good chance to go further up after 23.32. Okay, so here, still better to watch out for 23.32. Okay, by looking at H4. Okay, my H4 opening. Okay, my H4 opening. Yeah, so over at this point here, H1 looking good, but by looking at the H1 opening here, closing here, we have a chance to reach 23.32. Okay, then from 23.32, if this is breaking above, we can continue to hold for more. Something up there is waiting. But if this is not closing above, if it's going to close below, then probably we have to wait for we're going to wait for more. Okay, generally I see it should be still on the buying side for now, since it's not closing below 23.30. Okay, yep. All right, for pound dollar, yes, pound dollar, okay, it hits onto our support. So just now the pound dollar hits on the support now. It seems like a key levels here, support level anyway. All right, yeah. How long will you stay for live streaming today? Thank you for reminding. I'm ending soon. I'm ending soon. Yeah, because today I started late, so I make it up. Okay, so I'm ending soon in another 5 minutes. All right. So before I go, usually I will try to do up some planning. Okay, so for the goal we have done up. Okay, so if this is going to close above 23.32, high chance that we are going to take 23.35 to 20.36. All right. Then for the pound dollar, today we are in a range. All right, and we have PPI later on. So what I'm going to do is that now it's on the support. Okay, so now it's on the support. Winnie, are you still there, Winnie? Winnie 有在吗? Okay, so we are on the support. It may be pushing back down up here to 125.535 or within this range. If it's going to break above to retest this range, then buying should be good. Okay, right. 现在真的碰到支撑了哈，现在真的碰到支撑了。那现在呢？现在碰到支撑的话，上涨的几率，如果上涨的话，不要在这个格子里面做交易啊。OK， 那等它先突破以上，回踩这个格子形成支撑呢，才做多。OK，all right。Hi, enemy. Is it enemy? Okay. All right. So hi. Thank you for coming in. Okay. Right now, if the pound dollar is going to break below because of the range, if it's going to break below, I will be waiting for retest the range, the bottom of the range. All right, to form a resistance. Then I will go for the selling to the next support. Okay. So that's the plan for the pound dollar. Alright, so 如果这个棒美的话，它是往下突破，等它回踩在这个格子底下，这个范围底下形成压力的话，你就可以做空了。OK， 这个就可以做空，做空是找另外一个支撑嘛。OK，alright，OK， so yep， my daily live streaming usually lasts for 2 hours from the opening of the London market. Then also today I'm late, so I make it up. Okay. All right. Yes. Every day. You everyday live trade. Yep. Okay. So join us. Okay, by clicking the subscribe button and also like button. Right. Okay. We are a very casual community over here. Okay. So join us. And over here, right, so later on we have PPI, correct? We have PPI. So it's good we have PPI and unemployment data to be released. So our usual practice is that we don't enter any trades during this period of time and wait for it. Okay, wait for it. Wait for the data to be released. After that, look out for potential trades. All right. Okay, come back to the goal. Lastly, just now we are planning on 2330 is still within the head and shoulder. Is still within the inverse head and shoulder range, setting out support. Now it really goes up to 2332.69, and now, okay, right, and now it's hitting on 2332.69. Looks like it's not breaking above. There will be a good chance for selling now. Okay, just now emotional. Is it emotional or someone? Hey, sorry, too fast. I cannot. I can't remember. Who, emotional, right? Okay. Yeah. No, this is not emotional. I think okay, Camille. Yeah, Camille, you bought a buy, you put in a buy for the gold TP looking at 2334. Okay, I think probably you can monitor for a while. Okay, monitor for a while. All right. Okay. Yeah. If this is going to break above, there will be a good chance to go. Okay. Yeah. Camille. Yeah, I'm talking about the gold. Just now the trade that you bought in for the buy. Now it hits onto 2332. It may, this area, okay, may be a resistance to sell off. So please watch out for this. Hold it to see if this is going to break above, close above, then there'll be a good chance to go further up to 2335.36. All right. Yeah, like Carol was saying, euro dollar is on the edge. Okay, so yep. Okay, so it's similar to pound dollar. Either way now. I see it as either way now. Okay, yes. And me, right? Okay, so what is your best time frame? I don't have any best time frame. Okay, each time frame has its purpose, so we will use all the time frames, okay, to read out, okay, what is the situation, understand the situation, then after that we will proceed to take a trade, okay, to see where it is going, look out for the targets, then after that wait for the entry. So there's a few steps. Right, there's a few steps from our community daily trading. You will realize, okay, we are waiting for this, then we are waiting for this, then we are taking action. Okay, so yep, it's all about all this structure. Okay, all right. So that's about all for today, I guess. Just now, yeah. Okay, so I see you guys tomorrow. All right, tomorrow. Okay, and there's one thing. Next Monday, I have not confirmed my schedule. All right, so probably I may not be able to reach in time. Okay, so probably Monday I won't be around. Okay, so just to let you guys know, preempt first. All right, so I will update in our Discord channel. Okay, I will update in our Discord channel. So anything I'll let you guys know. All right. Okay. Yeah. And yep. So that's all for today. Yeah. 谢谢你 Winnie. Okay. Thank you JJ. Thank you guys. All right. So pound dollar. Okay. So seems like there's some rejections now. Okay. That's good. That's good. Okay. All right. Thank you everybody. So see you guys again tomorrow. I will be back here again tomorrow. All right. Mr. Go. Okay. Thank you very much. Manwai, Eric. OK， 记得啊，今天晚上上课啊。OK， 好了，今天晚上我们的一样啊，我们的课啊，在8点钟哈。OK， 好的，谢谢大家 ，Thank you very much, guys, and shall see you again. OK， tomorrow, yeah, same time. OK, all right, thank you, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.